Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix secure boot and TPM 2.0 error in Valorant. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. To be able to change the settings, you have to first click here and then restart your computer. While it's restarting, you have to mash in the F12 button while holding either the delete or the insert button so that you can enter the BIOS. If you're not sure which selection of buttons that you have to use, then you can search the exact model by searching on Google for your laptop model and how to enable the BIOS. Now, once you're in BIOS, it should look something like this, or maybe other sections. So for me, it is the MSI click BIOS. Now from here, you're going to check for the CPU, and then you're going to click on the top right where it says Advanced or F7. From Advanced, you're going to open this setting, and then from the settings section, you're going to click Advanced again. And then from here, you will see Secure Boot, and then from here, you're going to enable it. After that, you're going to go back. Once you see configuration, you're going to click it. And then from here, you can see TPM device selection, and you're going to select it for DTPM. And then from that, you're going to restart your computer again and try launching the game, and hopefully that helps. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.